Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this part 2 of unboxing and first impression, the latest fragrances that I bought. Thank you very much for watching. So let's carry on without any further ado. So the next one is it's going to be Amen Crypto Mint. So Crypto Mint is quite well known in the community, so this is going to be a first impression. I sniffed it I think once before in the shop somewhere, and I really liked it. So let's see. So as you can see, the bottle is similar bottle to other Mugler's, but this one is obviously green because of the mint. I like it. I like the bottle, it's very nice. Okay, so let's see how is the atomizer. The atomizer should be okay, although you know how it goes with it. Alright, not bad. Difficulty as usual with the Mugler line atomizers. Okay, so how does it smell? Delicious, beautiful. Okay, basically what you get, what he says, mint, yeah, but it's not just mint, it's sweet. I can smell patchouli, I can smell some sweetness, but it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Vanilla as well, yeah, a little bit of vanilla. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. I really like this one. Some people didn't like it, but I like Mugler. I know me, I'm a big fan of Mugler House, and this one doesn't disappoint at all. Beautiful, gorgeous. This one is versatile because of the mint and the sweetness. You can wear it anytime, anywhere, any season, blah blah blah. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be Versace one. Is called Versace Privacy for Men. Versace Privacy for Men. This one is quite unknown Versace. Many of you will know Versace House, but this particular scent I think is quite unknown. So I am going to be the first one to mention it. I think it's called Privacy for Men by Versace. And the cap is nice, the bottle is classic and beautiful, and let's see what is the smell like. So the smell, the atomizer is quite good, as are the Versace's. So Versace with the presentation and the juice and longevity and the quality, and also for the money. Yeah, some people say, oh, this and that, but okay, I understand that, but for the money, it's very hard to beat Versace. Anyway, so let's see how it smells, this one. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. It's quite floral, but it's very classy, gentleman-like. It's woodsy as well. Little bit of sweetness in there, but main thing is florals. Little bit of citruses. Wow, it reminds me of something. I'm not going to say it's a copy, but it reminds me a little bit of Dion by Dior, okay? Not a copy, not basically 100%, but it reminds me of that, okay? But it's beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is very inexpensive, as all the Versace are, okay? So if you want, as I said, I'll put the names in the description below. You can do your research. Alright, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be, I'm quite excited for this. This is called Oud Fossa by Oud Za'afran, okay? The presentation on Oud Za'afran's, again, this house, majority of their perfumes are for what you pay. My goodness me, I don't know how they make money. Presentation excellent, bottles excellent, spray is excellent, juice majority of the time very good. I mean, for the money you pay, obviously. And look at this, isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. It's just beauty in the bottle. So the bottle is gorgeous. The cap is heavy and metal. Look at it. It's a crown, and it's got a jewel on top. As I said, for the money, goodness me. So let's see how is the sprayer. The sprayer is, yeah, sprayer is good sprayer. And how does it smell? So Oud Fossa by Arda Za'faran, and let's see. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so this is basically the first thing it hits you is the saffron. Beautiful saffron in this, and also sandalwood. Sandalwood and saffron is quite big in this. Wow, wow, wow. Let's go off citruses. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous. But the oud is turned down on this, okay? The oud is not big in this. It's mainly sandalwood and saffron as the moment I get. It might develop on the skin, so this is the first impression. But goodness me, it doesn't disappoint. It's beautiful, oriental, Middle Eastern perfume. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. As I said, I'll put the names in the description below, so if you want to do your research, you can do that, okay? So let's go, and if you have any question about any of these, please let me know and I answer you, okay? So let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be Frank Oliver Blue Touch. Frank Oliver Blue Touch. And this one, again, it's not unknown, but it's, you know, it's not big in the fragrance community. I like this house. They make reasonably priced fragrances, and the majority of them so far they've been very good. So let's see how this one is. So as you can see, the box is quite nice and shiny blue, and the bottle is blue, very cute. The attention to detail is quite nice. It says Frank Oliver on top, and let's see the atomizer on this. So Frank Oliver Blue Touch. Okay, very good atomizer. Again, for the money, unbelievable. Okay, blue, 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 fresh, fresh, fresh. Yeah, let's put aquatic, freshness. Let's put herbal, woody. But you smelled it before, okay? So it's quite generic. But for the money, I'm going to say it's nice, very good, beautiful. Little bit similar to what's his name? Oh my goodness, Versace Pour Homme. Yeah, similar to it, very similar. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, I'm very happy with this one. Okay, so the next one is going to be. Oh, this is a nice one. This is Azaro Pour Homme Edition Noir. Azaro Pour Homme Edition Noir. This is a tester. So how does it do? And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Look at that. It's black all over, and it looks like basically a very expensive car. Yeah. Okay. So let's see the atomizer on this. So is Azaro Pour Homme Noir Edition, okay? All right, the atomizer very good as always with Azaros. And the smell is divine, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, you can smell the original Azaro inside. I would say 50% still in there, but they added so many nice notes in there, and it's making it very, very modern, okay? It makes it very, very today's. But overall, it's gorgeous. Goodness me, beautiful. Oh, so it's herbal, it's gentlemanlike, it's classy. Yeah, it's floral, woodiness, a bit of there's something in there making it very, very beautiful. I don't know what's this. I don't know, is it patchouli? Anyway, So it's very, very nice. I highly recommend this one. If you like Azoro, you will like this very much. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Alright, the next one is going to be, okay, this is another tester. It's Merciless Benz, and this one VIP Club Infinite Spicy Merciless Benz VIP Club. This is a tester as well, and the bottle is gorgeous again. Beautiful bottle, look at that. The amber color is gorgeous. Okay, so let's see how is the atomizer on this. The atomizer is beautifully perfect, and oh, the smell is gorgeous. Okay, by now you should know I like all sorts of fragrances and perfumes, okay? But there are few that I like more than anything, and one is spicy fragrances, and this one doesn't disappoint. Spicy to the max, very, very spicy. So basically it's peppery, cinnamon, it's a little bit of gasoline, smell like original Fahrenheit, little bit, not much. I can smell some fruit. Oh my goodness, beautiful, gorgeous, woody, beautiful. This one is very, very nice. So spicy fragrances I like very much, and also green fragrances is ultimate to me, and this one doesn't disappoint at all. Beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, let's go to the next one. As I said, if I put the names below, and also if you have any questions, put them down there. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is, okay, so this one is Pablos in black. Fabulous in black. This one is a tester again, and let's see how is the atomizer. Yeah, the atomizer is good. The bottle is quite beautiful. Look at that, gorgeous. And how does it smell? Oh, gorgeous. Again, spicy. Black pepper. Woody. Oh my goodness, very, very spicy. All sorts of spice in there. I get cinnamon. I get a little bit of tamarind for some reason. Lemony, but gorgeous, beautiful. This one is very, very good. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Alright, so the next one is going to be Tommy by Tommy Hilfiger, Endless Blue by Tommy Hilfiger. So let's see how is this one. I heard good things about this one, although most of the Hilfigers I don't find appealing. I mean, they're okay, but I don't find them anything unique. And let's see how this one. So the bottle is gorgeous, as you can see. It's a dark blue, gorgeous bottle, and the plastic cap, and the atomizer should be good on this. So the atomizer, yeah, the atomizer is very good on this. Okay, so how is Tommy Hilfiger Endless Blue? Nice. Again, spicy. So it's blue, as you can imagine, but it's got a little bit of blue, spiciness into it, and also a little bit of incense. For some reason, I get a little bit of incense, but it's very nice, gorgeous. It reminds me of Coca-Cola for some reason. It's maybe my imagination playing up, but it's very nice, very good, very beautiful. This one is for, in terms of the other Hilfiger, I think this is very nice. Okay, so let's go to the next one. How many minutes? I'm not sure if I can do another one. Let me just try one more. Okay, I think the battery is dying on me. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode. If you have any question, put it down there, and tell me if you got any of these or you know them. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.